In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create custom call outcomes in HubSpot so you can better track, organize, and report on your sales and support calls. Custom call outcomes help your team log conversations more accurately, measure performance, and understand what's really happening after every call. Whether you're managing a sales pipeline or a customer success team, setting this up properly can make a huge difference in your reporting. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the very top navigation bar. In the top right corner, you'll see the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click on that settings icon. This will take you to your main account settings area, where you can manage tools, configurations, and customization options for your HubSpot portal. Now that you're inside the settings panel, move your attention to the left-hand sidebar menu. This menu contains all the configurable sections of your HubSpot account. Scroll down if needed until you find the section labeled Calling. Click on Calling to open the calling configuration settings. Once you're in the calling section, you'll see multiple tabs and configuration options related to how calls are handled and tracked in your account. Make sure you are on the Call Configurations tab. This is where HubSpot allows you to control how call outcomes are recorded. In the Call Configurations tab, look for the setting labeled Track Call Outcomes. This setting controls the list of outcomes your team can choose from when logging a call, such as connected, left voicemail, no answer, and so on. Next to this setting, you'll see a button labeled Edit Options. Go ahead and click on Edit Options. When you click Edit Options, a panel will slide in from the right side of your screen. This is where you can manage your existing call outcomes and create new custom ones. To create a brand new custom call outcome, click the plus button labeled Add Outcome. After clicking Add Outcome, you'll be able to type in the name of your custom call outcome. This could be something specific to your business process, like Demo Scheduled, Follow-up Required, Qualified Lead, Not Interested Budget, or any other status that helps your team better categorize call results. Choose names that are clear and meaningful so your reports stay clean and easy to understand. Once you've entered the name of your new custom outcome, confirm the addition in the panel. After adding all the custom outcomes you need, make sure you click Save to apply the changes. This step is very important. If you navigate away without saving, your new outcomes will not be stored. After saving, your custom call outcomes will immediately become available to your team whenever they log a call inside HubSpot. From now on, when a user completes a call and selects an outcome, they'll see the updated list including the custom options you just created. This allows for more accurate tracking, better reporting, and improved visibility into your sales or support performance. And that's it. You've successfully created custom call outcomes in HubSpot. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks, but it can significantly improve how your team tracks conversations and measures results. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.